We are back again at Rowston, another crossing Lincolnshire with Joe Thorpe. That one over there doesn't bang anymore. I missed the amber light, but it doesn't matter. The time now is 11:44 on Sunday, the 3rd of December 2017. And this is for your 11:40, 50, expected 45. 122 Sierra, service from London King's Cross to Grantham. I don't know if it's a steam train or not because it's under ZZ and I couldn't see what sort of train it was. I presume it's a steamer. This is the last closure of the day as well. I'm going to stand over here for a minute. Here it comes. Think so. Yeah, it is. Hang on a minute, what is it? It's there, look.
Is that it?
Yeah. It's not a steam train though, it's a diesel. 68.
Not the steam train then?
No, it's not. Look at it. You can tell it's not a steam train. It's there. It's a 68 puller and a 68 on the back probably. '68-017. '68-016 Fearless to Grantham.